I'll guide you through the process of converting your crypto on Binance into your local currency without getting your funds frozen due to verification issues or choosing the wrong withdrawal network. Binance offers multiple exit strategies, but the key is knowing when to use the one-click convert tool versus the P2P marketplace for the best exchange rate. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open the Binance app and ensure your account is fully verified to KYC Level 2 to unlock fiat withdrawal limits. Navigate to the Trade tab and select Convert to instantly swap your cryptocurrency into your local fiat currency like USD, EUR, or CAD with zero slippage. Go to your fiat and spot wallet and select Withdraw to begin the process of moving that cash out of the exchange. Choose the bank transfer option if your region supports direct off-ramps like SEPA or ACH, as this provides the most secure path for large transactions. Enter your bank details precisely, ensuring the recipient name matches your Binance profile to avoid security flags and automatic reversals. For those in regions with limited banking support, select the P2P trading tab to sell your crypto directly to verified merchants who can pay you via mobile money or local bank transfer instantly. Filter for merchants with a completion rate of at least 95% to ensure your trade is handled by a professional and secure partner. Confirm the transaction only after you have physically verified the funds in your bank account, never relying solely on screenshots provided by the buyer. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.